Hello kids, now let us go through the adjectives and conjunctions. What are these adjectives? Adjectives are the words which describe the noun, how the noun is, what color. If we take a noun, a thing or a name or a person, how its color is there, how many are there. So according to the number, 2 books. So if we say that 2 is the adjective. Size, small tree, small is called the adjective. Quality, regarding the material, gold pens, gold book. So in this way, paper, whatever is there, the quality of it. It is also thin paper, thick paper, the quality how it is there, smooth, rough. This all comes under the adjectives. Even how the character of a person he is looking. So if we take that angry person, so if we say angry person, costly thing, so basing on that we can say it is an adjective. We must observe the noun and how it is explaining something. It tells about the color, green bird, green book. So like this, anything, green pencil, whatever it tells about the color. Let us see some examples. Now if you see the first one, choose the adjectives from the given options in the following sentences. So read the sentence and you want to choose the adjective which is explaining about the noun. Ram is wearing an expensive watch. So how is the watch? The watch is expensive. It is explaining about the noun watch, that how it is the quality. It is very expensive. So it shows that expensive is the adjective. Now if you coming to the first one, the colorful balloon was tied to the railing. What is the noun here? What is the thing you can see? And how is that thing? So basing on that you can take the adjective. See, first one, if you see balloon, balloon is a noun. So what, how it is, how the balloon is. So basing on that you can take the answer. Now if you go for the second one, the princess was wearing a beautiful gown. So which one can you see here? Princess and gown. 2 are the nouns, but princess, they are not telling something about princess, but they are telling, explaining about the gown. How is the gown? So basing on that, so you want to find all the nouns which are there in the sentence and which word is explaining about that noun. So basing on that, your adjective must be ticked. Now if you see, the pen is kept in the right drawer. So where? So if you observe that, what are the nouns here? Then you can say, is pen an adjective? Drawer is an adjective? Kept is an adjective, or right is an adjective? See, options also you can see, which you can see they are the things and whatever are there, they are nouns, and some verbs are there. So basing on that you can find what is an adjective. Fourth one, the suitcase had a magnetic lock. What are the things here? Things that doesn't comes under noun. So in the options you want to see which are the things and what are the other words given. So basing on that you can easily find an adjective from the question. Now if you see the fifth question, 2 birds are looking for food. So what we said regarding adjectives, what will be adjectives? Basing on that you can find whatever we see, they are not adjectives. Whatever they describe about what we see, that are the adjectives. So check and tick the answer. Now if you see the B1, complete the expressions of comparison using the most appropriate adjectives given in the options. So here what you want to do, according to the sentence, which adjective can be used there, you want to guess and you want to write it. Now coming to sixth one, as dash as lava. Do you know what is lava? It comes from the mountains. When it becomes too hot inside the mountains, some lava comes out. It comes out from it, the mountains burst and lava comes out from the mountain. So what is that? So as dash as lava, how will be the lava? Basing on that, the adjective you want to write. As dash as a bird. So about the bird, what can you use? Natural, free, good, or frightened. So basing on that you can use the answer. Now if you see that eighth one, as dash as a bee. Who is bee? Bee is a small insect. It collects the honey from the plant. So how it will be? Will it be chatty? Will it be kind? Will it be busy? Or will it be honest? So basing on the qualities given, you want to select the correct answer. As dash as crystal. Do you know what is a crystal? Crystals, diamonds are the crystals. So how the crystals will be? Are they small? Are they dull? Are they clear? Or are they cool? So basing on the options, you take the correct answer. As dash as oceans. Do you know oceans? Big water bodies. Really more and more water will be there in that. We can see that It will be containing many animals. Yes, so basing on that, you want to say that will it be funny, will it be dirty, will it be deep, and or as water. So what is the option correct? Check it and take the correct answer. Okay kids, now let us move to the page number 25. Fill in the blanks with the most suitable adjective. So here also you want to select the adjective which suits properly. Abhishek is as dash as his father. So how will be Abhishek's father? So basing on his father, you can we say as taller, tallest or tall. So we used previously the degrees of comparison. In degrees of comparison, how do we use the adjective? Can we use er, est or simply this positive degree? Basing on that, you want to write when as is given. She is dash than her mother. So than is there. Degrees of comparison can be seen here. So than is used. Then what type of word can we use? Can we say as beautiful, most beautiful, more beautiful or less beautiful? Now he is the dash helpful person I have ever seen. Children, check that when the is given, you want to use which word? You observe that carefully from the video which we had sent on the usage of degrees of comparison. Then you can find the answer very easily. Now 14th one, my sister is dash than yours. How will be your sister? So basing on the option than, you can think and you can give the answer. Now if you see the next one, Mohan is the dash boy in the class. Can we say as smart, smarter, smarter, smartest? So the is given, check it and write the correct answer. Now D, fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunctions. What are these conjunctions we read before about fanboys? What are fanboys? For, a for, and for, nor, b for but, o for or, y for et, and s for so. So these words we can use as the conjunctions, and some other words also there which are used to join the sentences. According to the context which we have, you want to read and you want to find the correct answer. See, the child was happy. Dash, he started jumping. So what is the reason why he is jumping? There is a reason. He was happy. So he started. So when reason is given, you want to use so. Now today is Sunday, dash, we have no class. So today is the Sunday, that is the reason. That's why we don't have the class. So what can we use? Because, so, when or. So or is for choice. So what do we use? Take the correct answer here. Now let us move to the 17th question. The weaver was poor, dash, he was happy. Weaver is poor. See, when poor, they cannot be happy. But when poor also, they are happy. So what can we use the option here? Just use it according to the context. Now, 18th one. Johnny eats healthy food. Dash, he may become a boxer. So, Johnny eats healthy food. So, if he eats healthy food, what happens? Therefore, he may become a boxer, so that or because of or however. So, according to the context, you want to use the correct option. Dash, the cat goes, her kittens follow. So, you can see that they are telling about a place. So, according to the place, what word we want to use there, take the correct adjective. The children were happy, dash, they saw Santa Claus. So, the children were happy. Whenever they are happy, just basing on that context, you want to write the correct answer. So, answer fast, dash, win a prize. So, if we answer fast, what is going to happen? So, basing on that, you want to take the correct answer. So what option can it say? Answer fast after win a prize, answer fast and win a prize, answer fast so win a prize, or answer fast at win a prize. So every option if you read, then only you can get the correct answer, children. For every word, for every question, try to read all the options. Now coming to 22nd, walk fast dash, you will be late for the school. So they are telling the reason, some reason is there. If the boy doesn't walk fast, he doesn't reach the school early. That's why he want to walk fast. So what happens if he walk fast? According to the context, you give the answer. My father came late dash, it was raining heavily. So father came late. So it might be a reason, it might be a cause, whatever it is. Just if you keep an option and find, then you will get the answer. So according to the reason and the other things you want to use the word, then only it will suits the context. So check it properly and take the correct answer. We have never been to Agra. Dash, it is very close to our city. They are telling that they are close to Agra city. Okay. They didn't go till now. So what word can we use here? We have never been to Agra. Dash, it is very close to our city. So what word can we use? Because it is nearer, can we say, or though, or and, or while. So basing on the context, you read and take the correct answer. Now let us move to the next page, page number 26. I can make some snacks. Dash, we can order pizza. I can make some snacks. So they are telling that they can make some snacks. So when they are able to make the snacks, then when do they order the pizza? So basing on the context, just keep the words like I can make some snacks, or we can order pizza, or while we can order pizza. Can we use and or for? So take the correct answer according to the context. Now fill in the blanks with correct options. You can see the options given there. A flood is a dash disaster. So what type of disaster can we say? Flood. Flood means the water coming, more and more water coming, and they are destroying the people, the cities, and everywhere. They destroy everything. So what type of disaster? Disaster means which destroy something. So we can say, is it natural? Means generally it happens. Artificial means we are making it. Climate or human beings. So who is the responsible for the floods like that? Now 27. At the party there were dash faces I had not seen before. So what type of faces can we say that we didn't see before? Now if you see the 28th, Meera was happy dash she was going on holiday. So what is the reason why Meera was happy? Basing on that you take the correct answer. So one reason is there what we want to use. We can get entry dash we reach on time. So we can get entry. So they are saying that entry can be done. But when? When they will get an entry. So according to the context, you take the correct answer. I am hungry dash I cannot eat because of my toothache. See here the person is hungry. Still he is unable to eat because of his toothache. So what word can we use? Because it is telling a reason. Just take the correct answer what we can use when it is telling a reason. Okay. Now try to complete your chapter 8 and send it to WhatsApp.